In this lecture, we learn how we can find the following trends that are happening in the country and in the world. We are trying to research how to find a trending topic. For this researching purpose, we use at first Google Trends tool. Web URL is trends.google.com/trends. This is one of the most popular places to go, and it gives you a snapshot of what is the popular on Google. Also, we can break it down by category: business, entertainment, health, tech, esports, and top stories. Also, you can break it down by the country. In this drop-down menu, here you can see the country list. And in homepage, at first here you can see, it shows us that they want to feature. They feature the recently trending topics: Winter Holidays 2017, and the based on global search interest. Now they are featuring the Shanta Tracker. Also they feature the Golden Global Awards 2018. And also here you can see the Easter Awards character statistics. And under this, they also share the histories of the recent trending topic: Real Madrid Barcelona match, Texas Tech Red Raiders football match, and so on. And also they share a graph, and using this graph we can easily understand what is the hot topic right now. To see the details of any of these trending topic, simply click on this topic link. Here you can see the full statistic of this news. Texas Tech Red Raiders football match is now the hot cake. And under this, here you can see the interest by the region. Not only that, they also share the relevant trending queries. Super cool, right? And under this, they also share the related topics which are also trending. Pretty cool, right? You can also search deeper by putting the keywords in the search box. Now let's say this time I type Game of Thrones. Now here you can see, in the month of August, this Game of Thrones drama series was in trending. But for this time in November 2017, this topic is not trending right now. Alright? Also you can see the interested region of this drama series Game of Thrones. By interest, first one is Kazakhstan and second one is Russian and the third one is Ukraine. Makes sense, right? So by simply putting keywords in search box and by watching their statistic, you can easily understand that is the topic is now in trending or not. To find trending topics, my second favorite website is BuzzSumo. Web URL is app.buzzsumo.com/research/trending. Here you can see all the available trending news, and these articles are published 24 hours ago. Also they provide different type of categories such as esports, entertainment, tech, business, etc. Now if I go to politics, here you can see all the hot topics of the news of politics. And just look at these numbers, social sharing numbers. This news is just published 4 hours ago and it is already shared on Facebook over 12,000 times. And this second news is published 2 hours before and shared on Facebook over 6,000 times. These are the viral topics right now. Actually, t-shirts based on politics are selling really well in Amazon. In Amazon, if I search for Trump t-shirt, look at this. Look at their seller rank. For this simple t-shirt, seller rank 3000s. And for this one, seller rank 1000s. Actually, these politics types of t-shirts are selling really well in Amazon. You can easily measure this by watching their seller rank. And entertainment. People love entertainment. And these topics are now trending on social media and on the web. Basically, these are my two favorite tools to find trending topics, and I very often use these two tools when I worked with event-based t-shirt design to find new topics. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys to the next one.